Politricks, what? This is Serpy. Now, today I'm going to be talking about the if a bomb threats them when say I go on Iron Man, and I go link them to the quote-unquote pipe bombs that were found in West Kingston and show how the authorities them, right, the way how they are dealing with the pipe bomb discovery, right, is helping to fuel, right, the anxiety of the people and giving quote-unquote pranksters, right, more ammunition and make people take them more seriously. Come out of the papers, police and military find hundreds of pipe bombs in West Kingston. I actually read the article for you, but I want to know if you understand something. When me say West Kingston is fine, I wouldn't surprise. Remember, during the Tivoli incursion, the one where most sound claim say, right, especially back then, say, a 1 and 2 gunman alone, they run a garden. No real shooting never go on, no one never go on, just they want to kill off the people them. Yeah, that incursion. West Kingston man them, presidential clique, Dodos them, right, they employed ex-military personnel, right, people who had expertise, right, in explosives, local and abroad, right, to build, right, explosive devices. Give them, right, a pipe bomb is what them call a IED, improvised explosive devices. They use all over the world, right, in all kind of conflicts. Yard man them, right, they paid, right, actual professionals, experts, right, people even flying, right, show them how to build IEDs, how to make various bombs, etc. If, right, they were used effectively, the security forces would have suffered tremendous losses. Right, the problem, right, the Guardian them, or West Kingston, Dodos them, buck up in was that they then built all these things and then gave them to low IQ 87s. Right. It's not like, I mean, the Jamaican badman, quote unquote badman, only love hype up. While them can kill, right, for fun, and shot Pitney and shot mother and shot granny and shot the father and I hear a million times. Understand these are not, right, exactly, soldiers on the battlefield. They are not even equivalent to the lowest, most raggedy, right, rebel group, right, in Asia, Africa, somewhere fighting, right, some internal war. 87s are 87s. Right, at least they were back then. Right, things and times can change, and people can eventually step up in game. Right. But Guardman them, presidential clique, right, is no Hezbollah. Right. Jankre Nation is no Hamas. Right. Klansman is no, right, Afghan Mujahideen. Right. That's a whole different, right, kettle. Right. A shooter you talk about now, with complete different motivations. Right. The 87, the RV-87, right, as I said, they were given extraordinary weapons, 50 caliber, sniper rifle, they had everything. Right. IEDs, they had everything. And in the face of the JDF, the first time they were truly up, the first time they were truly getting challenged, them took them tail. Right. And we all know what happened afterwards, they turned into victims. Then when the incursion done, right, then they went back to being bad man again. Right. And now they had people and they said, see, you see, and then nobody nothing. Right. So if those explosives in the incursion were handed to people who have sense, JDF especially would have suffered tremendous losses. Now for the things you might find in a garden, that even get talked about to this day. Only some of them, right, when you hear about. So when time you say, at this of them find them, I thought interesting. I wonder if I the one them left over from them time, or is a new set they make recently. But why would they make them recently? Let me read the article. It mentions, say, right, members of a joint police military team found a container, right, with hundreds of what appears to be pipe bombs. Right, premises at Darling Street in West Kingston. I must say, what if IDs were made, right, what if IDs were supplied, right, to man for West Kingston incursion. So I don't know if this linked to that. I tell them say it's not surprising. So West Kingston is fine. Right. And you know, so West Kingston don't just mean Tivoli, they just mean Denantown. Them say them find 320 devices. 320 are whole heap. Right. Now, here is the thing. The CCU, right, says while it understands the need, I read this from the nation right now. While it understands the need from the public for more information, the details of the discovery are too sensitive to share at this time. SSP Lindsay said it would be hugely concerning to law enforcement officials if the items turned out to be explosive devices. So, if it turns out to be, so it's not like they must say, they might go run tests to see if they're legitimate, or if they're complete, or maybe it's nothing at all. Somebody decides they might go try and come in with some eyeglass and scare somebody. You know, like how you have fake gun, right? Then somebody will try to use fake bomb. Who knows? But here's the thing. By leaving it yassa and making the story dead yassa, right, the JCF has made this worse. By leaving it there, so telling people so to find 320 right, things will look like pipe bombs, and then say when he was acting on intel, and then say, oh, due to the sensitive nature, we can't make the public know no more, even though we know so we want to know more. And then done this, so this has made things worse. They should be following up weekly. A week now for pass, and the public don't get an update. Alright, we're on some tests, it turns out it wasn't pipe bombs or some little plastic toy thing that's when I try to trick with. Or it was pipe bombs, but we find the source of something to reassure the people. Remember one time when the police carried Mr. Ripe on the side, protect, serve, reassure, that reassure part of the big part of policing, and the reassuring not going right now. This has caused pranksters to start crawl out of the woodwork, quote unquote pranksters. Listen closely. JCF now listen, CCU now listen. Lack of information causes more speculation. Sit down with that. Lack of information causes more speculation. It's like going to the doctor, and the doctor said, run some tests for you. Right. Turns out we find about 320 tumors in your body. And he said, Doc, what you just said? And he said, but due to the sensitive nature of the tumors and what go on, we can't tell no more. Look more. Left the office, go on home. Excuse me? Yeah, go on home. So you're telling me, say, just find 320 tumors in my body? Yes. I know you say, you're not telling me nothing more before just go on home. Yes. That cannot work. We don't want people dead with anxiety and stress. This whole heap of it's high level intel on up the. You don't have to go into every details who you find with it and who we get catch on, so they can't hold back them part there. But the information about the bombs, many people don't know what. How now make things worse. The only people, the only organizations, the only person who get to tell somebody say, I just find a big problem, but I'm not telling you yet, go and hold off, I'm going to deal with it. The only people, person, organization we can get with that is a person, group of people, or organization where people have extremely high levels of confidence in them. So if you have a leader, right, let me break it down to a family setting. If your father say, boy, this not go good, you know, say this not go good, but now we say me go start it out. Right. When you truly have confidence, say he's that man, then you say, alright, cool. Right. If you say you go start it, it go start. But when there is no confidence, you can't come with that. What you mean that happen? What you mean that happen? You have to answer a million questions. You don't have the gravitas to just say, right, yeah, things gone real bad for the family, but never fix it. Nobody ask no more questions. You don't have that gravitas. Top dog alone can get up with that. Only people with the highest, you have to have the highest level of confidence in somebody. And I'm sorry to break it to you, JCF, but people in Jamaica don't have that kind of confidence in you. When JCF say, yeah, we understand that people concerned, but we hold on things right now and take care of it. People are like, yeah, we don't believe you. People don't have confidence in the JCF like that. So just hang on to them road and say, well, them say them are going to deal with it so everything good. You can't say, while we understand the need from the public for more information, details and discovery are too sensitive to share at this time. You not have to say a woof you find it with, but people want to know what go on with that bomb thing there. I remember know, and I remember people don't know about that bomb thing there. Them know about the shot thing there. They know about the stab thing there, but the bomb thing there. I remember people about bombs on the airboat. And only people who served in foreign militaries and go places like Iraq and them thing there, and Afghanistan and place there. Or people travel around the world and them go some war-torn country places. But I remember saying, they really know about that bomb thing there. Bomb? Remember say, people them love showing them, man. They love the movie and a show when they see bomb. When they see bomb go off, they see whole car lift up and fling away. And they see people that fly through the sky, even though a single ID can't do that. Right. A pipe bomb, a typical pipe bomb, is usually anti-personnel, meaning used to kill like a single soldier or blow off a leg or something like that. And they can make them to very large sizes where they can blow up a tank and them thing. But based on the description right here, sound like the anti-personnel one make feel like kill man. But people not business about that. People think say a single pipe bomb can take out like, the whole of Spanish town. And next thing I take out the whole of Ochi. And some people look be a bomb. So now people speculate. October 18, it come to the news, say them find much bomb. And then from that right here, be a bomb threat. Most schools. Because of the bomb discovery, Jamaicans take it even seriously because Jamaica normally you want to bomb things. So even if people hear this before, right, I mean there's been a few little idle pranksters before, but this time people take it serious. I've never seen Jamaicans take bomb threat serious until now. Right, and it's because they see that pipe bomb discovery they come out in the news. And the way them left it hanging in the air, now people go here say schools are get bomb threat. So now you have to take it serious. You have to take a bomb threat serious. So now you empty the school and then them threaten wharf and you have to empty the wharf and it's disrupting the pitting them school time. It's disrupting. Right? Notice the key place them in the wharf. If wharf now function, the country can't function. Right? So people now take advantage of that situation. Because of a lack of information. Even in the article, SSP Lindsay said, it will be hugely concerning if it turns out to be explosive devices, like the man said, must be. Then come clarify that then. You don't need a month to clarify if it's actually explosive devices. Where is the follow-up? So this is all about top secret. Nobody know, people know. At least this way, we can control what actually happened. Because the other way, by the time it passed down 5 people down the line, something changed about the story and now people even more panic. And this is what we now have to factor. You can, the story about the boy who cry wolf. You tell the people them say, wolf a come, wolf a come, wolf a come, wolf a come. Till people, no business no more. And then when the wolf actually come, nobody no move. Because they tired of him and they lie them, and they prank them. And then the wolf actually name the people them. That is a possibility also. Where people hear, bomb threat, bomb threat, bomb threat, bomb threat, bomb threat. Jamaicans say, oh, this bomb threat thing is nothing more than English, and they don't move. And then, it's actually real. Lack of information leads to more speculation. You can manage what you say, but keeping everything sealed off is counterproductive. And instead of making things more quiet, it has the opposite effect. Now people talk about it more, and with more things add on and take off. Let's get something serious. If Iron Man wants to indeed start dealing with any form of bombings, especially as it relates to the place some of them threatening schools and them things, we're not going to see who are human rights activists. All of these human rights groups who tell us that they don't believe say 87 is you shouldn't hurt 87's feelings, and them don't support this, and them don't even support even if 87 shoot off at the police not be shoot to kill. The police must just like kinda shoot back and hope he doesn't maybe aim for like a toe and hurt him but don't kill him. Them people there, easy to be woke when it's affected. Remember that thought they make? It's easy to be woke when you're not affected. These people are not in Larry standing out on Marshman Road, them family and get them head chop off. Easy to be woke. And when you go pick up little Matthew after school and go home, and you say everything good. But if 87's ever bomb little Matthew's school, them time you go see who really believe in a forgiveness and human rights. All of these people you see I tell about social intervention. If anybody for them ever get blew up in a bombing from a gang on 87 and a terrorist activity, whoever do it, me want to see Marky Joe turn up on the scene and say, we're going to give the bomber social intervention. We're going to bring in social, to stop things like this, we're going to social intervene. For bombing go on, me want to see Marky Joe turn up on the scene when people have blood in them eyes because them picking them loved ones who just get blown, and say the way how we're going to stop this is social intervention. I dare you. I double dare you. Easy to be woke when it's affected. Make sure say no bombing really go on and start affect when you pick them. On the wife them, on the brother them, on the mother them. And the bombing start going. Some place where no nice no make. Forget about gunshot mean nice period. Make sure so the solution is social intervention. If 87s turn the game up another level and are now using IEDs, remember if they might kill people with stray shot, imagine something like a IED where they might be less control over one, the blast and in the blast area. Shrapnel and all them things. Make sure say on hold on pan a social intervention. Make sure say when nobody come talk about a death penalty and the highest punishment of the highest form. No. Make sure so no put in the armor on the bomber. And make sure when you say exactly what I say no. Just like in a big C, when you think someone like dead, and when you say a business about human rights, hold people and force them and give them the vaccine. Remember that? Counting say go dead and put them like dead. So all of a sudden business about human rights and human choice no more. People of Iron Man, that's what would happen if the country starts to bombings. People them when they want to tell about rights and rights because they know say gunshot and fire for them and nobody for them. you go see who believe in human rights then. Anyway, Patient Squad, you open cell. Yeah, you don't know, go live. Culture Squad, stay circling. Bless.